Hey everybody, I'm Mike Hagan. I'm here with Photo Focus, and I'm at the Peak Design booth with Lawrence. I thought it'd be a great time to have Lawrence show me a bunch of the new Peak Design gear. Lawrence, he kind of knows a lot about Peak Design, so I thought I'd have him show me around. Say hi, Lawrence.
Hey guys.
Yeah. So Lawrence, I'm going to hand this microphone off to you. I just love it if you could just kind of point out some of your new gear, show me your new bags that you come up with, and then maybe think about, give us a little preview if you can about what the future looks like. The future is bright. You know, you don't have to share any super secrets, but yeah, go for it.
Cool. All right. Well, certainly our newest thing that's at the show today is going to be our travel backpack, 45 liter, and the family of travel accessories that accompany it. So let's start with the backpack, and I'll show you guys this. So our bag line up until this point has been our everyday bags, which is optimized for photo and everyday carry. This is a little more specialized for traveling specifically. It's a nice big pack. It's got a lot of zips. It's a pretty sleek silhouette, which we're proud of. Something new for Peak Design is that to carry cameras with it, we've got a family of camera inserts. We're calling them camera cubes. We've got a few of them out here. They come in a variety of sizes. There's a small one. This is a large one next to it. There's a medium that goes right in between. If you're familiar with the brand, you'll notice our sort of Velcro flexible dividers, as we call them, origami inspired, to let you customize and get a really safe and rigid carry for your kit. So we're super proud of those. And these mount, they're designed specifically to work. They can work in any bag, but they work the best in our travel backpack.
Yeah, so the Sage bag is cool. I love the texture and the look of the product. The finish and the fit is excellent.
So main access is on the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the face down and then show you guys the big U-zip. Nice big access. One of the reasons that we have the straps on the back and the U-zip on the back rather is that the face is where the dirt's going to get. So if you guys have to set this down in the field, get into the back, get into your camera cubes, the straps are going to stay clean. And that was the thing that we were really, you know, a lot of our stuff kind of gets used in some pretty awesome but dirty situations. The scenarios are cool. And this was a way to sort of accommodate that and just keep your stuff a little cleaner. Yeah, high visibility, light gray interior, dedicated laptop compartment. It's got a lot of subdivided pockets in here. Here, I'll hand you the mic back. What I'm going to show you is there's front access and expansion.
All right, so front access and expansion. And check out this handle on the back. That's pretty cool. Let's set it down, face down.
Well, also, I'll show you the straps stow away real easily. So if you want to put it in the overhead bin on the plane, right on the tail of that, there's a full padded waist belt that stays hidden behind this pack also.
So it looks like it's pivoting. It's pivoting around the attachment point.
Yeah, we call that our axial attachment, and what that does is it allows the bag to sort of move and adapt, and while you're walking, especially with the waist belt, it moves with your hips. So you got a lot of weight on your hips, which is what you want, and this just makes it a little more comfortable than a traditional sort of rigid attachment. All right, let's check out that front access.
So now we're looking at the front access. Okay, cool.
A lot of pockets. You can actually zipper this panel down and get into the main compartment if you wanted to. And there's a zip right here in the middle of these other two, one on each side, and that gives me, if I undo both, I get 10 additional liters of carry.
So what's the size of the bag with that zip? How many liters?
So normal state is going to be 35. If I pinch it down like this into sort of its day carry mode, it's 30. And then if I do the expansion, it goes to 45.
45 liters.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Great.
All right, so the next one I want to show off, this is our tech pouch. And this was also released at the same time as the travel backpack and those other travel accessories. This is the ultimate way to carry your accessories and wires. So I unzip it and open it up, and this thing is, it's like an accordion opening up. I think I believe there's 21 pockets built in. So essentially, you can have a dedicated place for every cable you own and essentially eliminate tangling. It's unbelievable. This is a hit at the office. It's a hit with our fans. We are super proud of this. And it's so unassuming, you know? Very simple looking.
Lawrence, is there a way to attach that to your waist belt or to some other pouch or attachment system?
Yes, so what it can do, the production model has these webbing loops, and you can either put an anchor through, like our cameras, and this is the anchor right here, which will allow you to attach it to any of our camera straps, or you can use the external carry strap that comes on your backpack, hook it on, and carry your tech pouch in a sling style. It becomes one of our smaller bags.
That's really cool.
It's a great bag. It's
Love
great.
it. All right, so what I wanted to do here is I wanted to compare the everyday bag with their new travel line and just show you the different sizes here. So on the left, we have the everyday bag, and that was produced in about 2 years ago.
Yeah, 2016 or so, 2016. And this is the 30 liter. There also is a 20 liter that's a little bit smaller. Here, I'll take that out of
Okay,
here.
good.
Yes, this is a good way. This is the Invoke in our black colorway. And it lets you kind of see there's some similarities. There's some design language that carries over for sure. But this one does have a little more subtle silhouette. It kind of speaks to where we're kind of pushing some of our product design, softening some of the angles, making things a little stealthier. Yeah, and as far as bags go, I think it's safe to say that we're just getting started. I can't tell too many secrets. We're super excited about the travel line. For us, this is just the beginning of this sort of parallel line of bags that use the modular accessories to kind of build out your kit. And we are still paying a lot of attention and putting a lot of refinements into the everyday bags. We see that as also a big part of our business and our bag strategy. And we're excited to continue refining those products and bringing them up to speed with everything else we're doing. And then in addition to that, we haven't even talked about camera accessories and other hard goods, but that's the other half of the design team, and there's a lot going on over there. 2018 was awesome with the travel bag. 2019 is going to be wild with some other stuff.
All right, Lawrence, thanks for showing us all of your stuff. Thanks for a little bit of peek into the future. I love Peak Design personally. Thanks for making great gear.
Oh, absolutely.